What's happening, my bassinators? Hope you're all keeping well. Yeah. So I'm doing my intro now, as I forgot to make an intro this morning, and then my day went quite rough. It was not easy. So yeah, I didn't really even get to speak to the camera as much because I was trying to just get fish. But yeah, this is my intro. So here's a little bit of highlights of my day. So check it out now, right now, like now. So yeah, most of this morning it's been very slow bites. We've got bagged with small fish. No big bites yet. Weather was quite nice and chill this morning, and then the wind picked up a bit. But that's not too bad. And hopefully we catch some nice fish and get some awesome footage for you guys. Enjoy the rest of the cinematics and keep watching. Peace. Well, as you saw, that was the highlights. A lot of the fish that we did catch was off camera, as my little charging port today was giving me issues on my boat, and I don't carry GoPro batteries much anymore because it's usually just plugged into the boats. It lasts the whole day, and it was giving me issues, so I only got to record little bits of my day. So you got to see a few of the highlights of how it went. And yeah, so congratulations to the winner and the top 5. The winner walked out as a 5 point something kilo bag, which is great bag. And yeah, it was a nice day. We had a lot of fun. Didn't do very well, myself and John, but it was a blast. TBC is always a blast. So for all you guys who are wanting to start competing in the bass fishing, but you don't have all these fancy boats, you can get yourself a Pisces Predator, link in the bottom, or you could get yourself a little dinghy boat or a rubber duck, build yourself a little live well, and you can join the TBC. So have a look at it, go check the TBC. The link will also be at the bottom of this video, and go and see what it's all about. You guys will have a lot of fun. This comp was a record turnout. 73 anglers competed in 2 days TBC. So wow, really good turnout, and it was a lot of fun. So come and join us, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and follow me. Hopefully you guys enjoy my content, and I can keep on going. Let me know in the comments below if anything you guys would like to see me do in the future, and I'll try and make it happen. So peace, have a good one, and love you all.
Caught in the crossfire.